Hello, let's start making a rose flower today. Let's learn how to make it using this thick yarn. This is medium weight 4 pure 100% acrylic yarn, and I am using 4 mm crochet hook. So place the yarn on your fingers this way and take the working yarn and put it between the two fingers. Pull this yarn out. So the slip knot is ready. Let's start making chain stitches. We'll make chain 4. So now we will treble crochet. So 2 times yarn over and insert the hook into the first chain. Pull out the loop. There will be 4 loops on the hook. So now again yarn over, pull out from first 2 loops, yarn over, pull out from the other 2 loops, yarn over and pull out from the last 2. Again chain 4. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the first chain, pull out the loop, yarn over and pull out the hook from the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull out the loop from the second 2 loops, and yarn over and pull out the hook from the last 2 loops. So this is treble crochet. So we will continue doing treble crochet till we make around 11 kind of loops. So let's meet after making total 11 of these loops. So over here I have made this kind of 12 loops, and now let's start making the petals. So this is my last loop. I'll insert the hook into the first loop, yarn over, and I will make a slip stitch. Now I'll start making double crochets inside it. So I'll make some 6 to 7 double crochets. So I made total of 6 double crochets, and now I'll make a slip stitch in this chain. Again I'll slip stitch into the first chain, and now I will start making 6 double crochet in this loop. Let's create some space by pulling this double crochets on one side. Let's create some more space for this last double crochet, the sixth one. Slip stitch into this hollow area, this chain, and slip stitch one more time into the next chain. And now we'll repeat these steps till we complete doing 6 double crochet in all these loops. Let's meet after that.